Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be a vlog video. So it is around 10:20, well, not even around, it's 10:24 right now on a Sunday. I have to find a church home to go to. So I believe next Sunday I'm going to actually find a church home and stay there. Hopefully, depends on how I feel once I, frequent the church. On the agenda today, I need to get my nails done and go grocery shopping. Excuse me. I'm outside of the nail salon now. I just dropped my daughter off to my mom. She wanted to spend some time with her, so she'll be spending time with her while I get my nails done and while I go grocery shopping. I don't really know what I'm going to get on my nails, but I will be creating a what's on my nails video, so stay tuned so that you can see what I ended up getting. I'm going to go to the grocery store after this, probably go to my mom's house, and then go back home. I know I do have some more videos to record today. I need to record the what's on my nails video, which I may push till tomorrow. I also need to record an unboxing video from a cell phone case that sent me a case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max phone that I just got. And what else? I have to look at my planner and see what else I need to do, but that's what I'm doing right now. So be sure to give this vlog a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get into it. I also stopped at Tim Hortons. I got me a coffee. It's a iced vanilla coffee. I have been drinking a lot more water as well, so I'm going to be doing a vlog. Hopefully I can do that vlog next week, just documenting how much water I'm drinking, the effects of me drinking water, how I'm feeling, and things like that. I also think I found a exercise routine that I'm going to try, and of course I'll be including you all on the trial as well. But I'm about to go in. My nail appointment is at 10:30. It's 10:26 now, so I'm about to go in, get settled, and I will pick you all back up in just a little bit. Before Target, I went to Bath and Body Works, and before Bath and Body Works, I was at the nail salon. So I got my nails done. I'm going to be doing a video, what's on my nails video, really soon, letting you all know how I feel about this set and asking you your opinion on it. Out of Bath and Body Works, I got some soap. I just needed some more kitchen hand soap. They had them on sale today for $3.95. And out of Target, I went to get bio oil. I'm going to be using bio oil on my body, particularly like my stretch marks, and on my face a little bit, and also on my feet. If you were following my pregnancy journey, you may remember my feet they swelled so big, like so bad. And now that they're coming down, they're not completely back down to where they should be, but now that they're slowly coming down, I have like my skin texture has changed where most of the liquid in my feet was retained. So like right by my toes, my skin texture is like kind of hard, and it's darker there too. So I'm going to try to use the bio oil because I've used bio oil in the past on scars and even stretch marks, and it does lighten it. My goal is not to get rid of my stretch marks completely because I don't really see the need. I mean, I don't care if I have stretch marks left over. I just want to make them a little bit lighter. And I just want to have my skin feeling a lot more softer. And that definitely has helped. I have tried bio oil in the past. They had 2 different sizes. They had one for like $19.99 and another smaller size for $11.99. I got the smaller size for now. While I was in Target, I also picked up some things that I really probably didn't need but could use. I got a candle, like a fall scented candle. I got a trash can for my kitchen, stainless steel trash can. What else? Some dirty clothes hampers for my boys' rooms. And what else? Oh, I got some more bath mats too because I'm changing the color of my bathroom. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So right now I'm on my way to the grocery store. Once I leave the grocery store, I'm going to head over and pick up my daughter. And then I probably will be back home. When I get back home, I do need to content plan for the rest of this week. I would like to do that on Sundays and also create my newsletters if I'm creating a newsletter for the week. So I will pick you all back up either once I'm in the grocery store or probably once I'm in my mom's house or home. I don't know. But all right, I'll pick the vlog back up in just a moment. Oh, I almost caught her smiling. You see her smiling? Okay, I think she's done for now. Speaking of cute outfit, aren't these so cute? I got a shirt or a onesie that would go with these. And then I got this, which is too big right now, but she'll be able to wear it in a few months. Well, not in a few months, like in 1 month, really. Oh, those are really cute. All right. So Tyra's not ready to get in the bed. She's actually hungry. So I'm feeding her right now. Once I get done feeding her, then I'm going to help my oldest son find some shorts, basketball shorts, that he's comfortable wearing for basketball tryouts tomorrow. He's super excited about that. And I'm excited too for him. So prayers up that he passes, his tryouts and he gets on the team. Tonight for dinner, I'm just going to make some chicken. So I'm about to do that in just a moment. As soon as I get her fed, changed, and, in the bed. She won't sleep through the whole night. I definitely will have to, I don't know if she'll sleep through the whole night, but I know me putting her down right now doesn't mean she's going to sleep like the entire night. She probably will wake up maybe like 2 to 3 hours. But she did sleep all night Friday, which I was really, really proud of her for doing that. Yesterday, I thought she was going to do the same thing, but she did not. The formula that I'm giving her now has changed. I was giving her Similac, just plain Similac. All of my other children were drinking, they drank Enfamil. But her dad wanted her to drink Similac. So we started her off on Similac, and I noticed that she was really fussy. She was having a lot of diarrhea, and I just didn't think that was a great fit. So we went to the doctor, and they recommended a different brand, and then they recommended this brand, Similac Soy Isomil. This one I think is okay, but I'm not sure that I really love this one either because she's still really fussy and has a lot of gas. I don't know if I just have to give her time to get used to it or if it's just, you know, her stomach isn't agreeing with this either. I'm not sure. But let me know in the comments if you've tried this brand and, you know, if you liked it or not. I still do need to plan my content. I don't know if I'll get to it tonight. I'm really tired, to be honest, and I still have a lot on my mommy list to do. But if I do end up planning my content, I definitely will record myself doing that. I don't know if I'm going to continue the vlog tonight or if I'm going to let it go until tomorrow, but I will definitely update you all. So so I'm winding down for bed. I am about to jot down my content. I ended up typing out my content plans downstairs on my iPhone, but I'm going to go ahead and put it into my planner. I also do need to find another planner. This year went past super fast. I cannot believe that we are going into November. Like, this year just flew past. So let's see. Okay. All right. So for Monday, all right, and then Tuesday I still need to record what's on my nails video. Really gonna have a heavy week in recording. I'm going to need to do the case unboxing video. I want to post, what else did I say I was gonna do? My business video on how to connect with leads for your hair business. Okay. And then there was one more that I planned to, and I don't want to have to look at my phone and stop the video. So I'm really trying to remember. Okay, I do remember. This was a crafts video that I'm planning on doing. Not sure if I'm going to do it or not. I'm just going to put a question mark there. All right, and then I definitely want to create a newsletter for my hair business. I need to go to the post office tomorrow. Let's see, post office. Okay. And then what else? I need to record my podcast. I'm going to do that on Tuesday. Okay. I'm going to package my hair. I actually need to finish doing that tonight. Most of my orders are packaged though. It's just one more sample order that I'm going to package tonight. Okay. All right. So that's about it for what I'm doing tonight. I'm really about to just chill out and relax. I was supposed to be in the bed a lot sooner. My goal is to get in the bed like at least before 9:30. I just am trying to, like I mentioned in some other videos, just take better care of myself all the way around. And I don't, I don't want to stay up till like 2 and 3, which I can easily do, but I'm just so tired and I want to give my body time to catch up on its rest. So that's about it for this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions or questions or comments, they're always welcome down below. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.